How to plot background in NanoBanana AI. I'm going to guide you through the process on how to do it. Let's get started. First, open your laptop and go to your preferred web browser. In the search bar, type NanoBanana.AI and navigate to its official website. Once the site opens, make sure you are logged in with your account. Then scroll down to AI editor section. Here you will find two options, image to image and text to image. Select image to image and upload the photo you want to edit by tapping add image. To plot the background, tap on the main prompt field and type your instruction. For example, blur the background while keeping the subject sharp, apply a soft bokeh effect to the background, make the background slightly out of focus. Once your prompt is ready, tap Generate Now button. NanoBanana AI will process your request and give you an updated image with the blurred background. You can refine your result by adjusting your prompt like specifying blur intensity, and that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.